So we closed the year 2017 with a pretty strong accent. We have had so far one partner in Nigeria, Swift Systems, and to the team of our local partners joined three very strong, reputable companies from Nigeria, West Africa, East Africa, and South Africa. I'm talking about companies like Cloud Exchange System, before known as Dimension Data West Africa. We're talking about Sumeru Solutions, company established in 2001 in Kenya, which is currently hiring more than 1,000 employees in more than 10 countries. And we're talking about Innovo Telecom, one of the leaders in the contact center solutions and consulting services around contact center solutions in South Africa. It's extremely important for us to work with partners like this, because it doesn't matter how big a company from Europe is or from the United States, doesn't matter how long we have been on the market and how great our products are. We will never be able to make business with a local African customer if we don't have a strong local presence, thanks to our local partners who already have built that trust with those potential customers. So 2017 was for us all about understanding the market, building our brand recognition, and signing up contracts with our partners. 2018 will be all about integrations of our first systems with our first customers. We're planning to do 5 of them in 2018. In the first quarter of 2019, we have already signed 2 contracts with 2 first customers, and I hopefully will be able to share more details about that very soon. It's very hard to generalize Africa, besides the fact that it's a continent of a lot of opportunities, and of course a lot of challenges. And what we can see is that countries have many different specifics, much different than in Europe. For example, a country like South Africa has 11 official languages. So we have a contact center that operates in only one country that has to be able to provide services and contact center services in 11 different languages just around one country. Africa is also way more developed when we're talking about the usage of mobile apps and internet as a whole. One potential customer of a bank has more than 2 mobile phones, different mobile phones. So African customers tend to use way more channels of communication at the same time than we're used to observe in Europe. That is a challenge for contact centers, to be able to manage all those channels simultaneously to maintain the same high quality level of customer service. Because Africa still has a lot of infrastructure related challenges, you would see that there's way more smaller contact centers, even within one organization. What it requires from a company that provides solutions like Unified Factory is to be able to be flexible, provide cloud solutions, be able to manage contact centers which don't have one big location but are spread around many different locations, and be able to provide those solutions and IT software even when the contact center grows very fast or gets decreased very fast depending on the projects that the customer is currently undergoing. That is also very important for the customers when we talk to them in Nigeria. I'm speaking about contact centers having more than 500 customer agent desks. I'm talking about banks and insurance companies. All those type of companies that have a lot of customers which require constant contact.